The beach, I'm gonna ruin that for you. This is a parrot fish. It's basically an 80-pound armored fish with a beak, like a bird. That's why it's called a parrot fish. And they use that beak to bite at rocks in coral reef. But a lot of this can't be digested, so most of it just gets pooped out as sand. They poop sand. A lot of sand too. One parrotfish can expel 2,000 pounds of sand per year. Scientists say that 70% of all white sand beaches in tropical areas came out the backside of a parrotfish. Keep that in your mind the next time you say you want the sand between your toes.